Hey guys, it's A2D Fam here with another video, and today we're gonna try to do kind of like a prank. So I'm gonna make one, just a simple one that says honk if you're happy, and we're gonna put it in the back of his truck. Daisy's really excited about this prank. Okay guys, so he's taking a shower right now, so we're gonna put up the sign. Okay, so guys, we're in the car waiting for my dad to come, but we're really scared that he's gonna find it, so I don't know what I should do. I think I don't know. Sure. Guys, I'm scared that because he's inside right now. He's checking like all the windows and stuff, and if he can look out the window, he's gonna straight up see it. So we're just like hoping he doesn't. I'm gonna go inside to check on him just because he's weird like that. So we're gonna pretend to be doing another video, like a Spanish speaking video, just to distract him.
No, he didn't see the window.
Oh, I'm so scared. He's coming, guys. I don't know if he saw it. Let's see what he says. Okay, so let's do the challenge for you only. You can only speak Spanish for 24 hours. Ready, set, go. You're saying we suck, so let's see you.
Hola.
Mira, see, I say it and he doesn't talk, and he's freaking saying we suck.
We're still recording.
Somebody honked. Did you hear that? Somebody honked.
Somebody out there honked.
I know.
That's it's Harkin's theater cup.
Oh, it's probably the person
just
in
went
the
to watch
back of
the Lion
us.
King.
That's cool.
I think that guy honked because he wanted him to take the light. You know how people are so like desperate right now?
Because it's hot.
Yeah. So I turned the camera off and somebody just honked at us. Sadly, I turned it off. Aileen, get out!
Ah.
Oh, you guys, somebody honked. He just like looked at them all mad. Honey, Aileen.
We're gonna get on it?
What the heck?
It's really fun.
Did you?
Why is everybody honking? Did we forget something or what?
I don't know. He's just like smiling over here like, what the heck?
That's fun.
Oh no.
Oh.
Another honk? They keep honking.
Who?
Guys.
Freaking Aileen, she sounds so cute.
Second, guys, I'm gonna beat you up.
Yeah.
That'll be funny. What?
Still honking?
I'm gonna beat you up again.
Beat you up all the way. It's just impatient drivers, guys.
Wait, what the heck? Why are people honking?
Cause they're just impatient, Daisy. Some people don't like to wait.
You might.
Wait, can I see your
Just
phone?
Yes, somebody else.
Everybody and their mom will be honking today.
I think every day, we just don't notice it. Oh, the girls are holding hands. Oh, sisters for life. That was a freaking long honk, huh? Who honked, babe? Crazy people. That freaking honk scared the crap out of me. Ugh, it was random.
Remember my house?
Did you hear that? Somebody honked, Aileen. Somebody honked. Did you hear? Did you hear, babe? Did they honk at you? Better not.
something.
What?
Something.
What?
Something.
Show me.
You have to come
Where?
outside.
No one. No wonder that people keep honking. I was like, why is everybody keep honking?
So a lot of people. Wait, Dad. So a lot of people are happy today.
Not that many people though. I mean,
Some people.
we got a lot of honks, but you don't react. Like you don't care. Like you were so chill about it.
Well, I was like, what the hell? Why are people honking? I was gonna come and check on the back too.
Why?
Because I was like, maybe my tail lights aren't working or something. Oh, wow.
Daddy, you
That's
lost.
funny.
Daddy.
I think we can take it off now.
And a big surprise.